Hey there! Today, I'm diving into the world of Linux troubleshooting. Ever been stuck on a complex Linux issue that just made you want to pull your hair out? Let me take you through a tricky problem and show you how to solve it like a pro. Imagine you're working in a server environment, and suddenly your application isn't connecting to the database. You check the usual suspects: network configurations, firewall settings, and database credentials, but everything seems fine. So, what now? Here's where the magic of Linux comes into play. First, open your terminal. Use the ping command to ensure your server can reach the database server. If that works, great. Next, use the telnet command on the database port to verify it's accessible. If telnet fails, you're likely dealing with a port blocking issue or a misconfigured database server. Now, let's say telnet works, but your application still can't connect. Time to check the logs. On your application server, navigate to the log directory, usually found in Verilogger, and open the relevant log file. Look for any error or warn messages. These logs often contain critical clues about what's going wrong. Still no luck? It might be time to dive deeper. Use tools like Strace to trace system calls and signals. This can be a bit advanced, but it's a powerful way to see what's happening behind the scenes. Lastly, don't forget to check your system resources. Sometimes issues arise from low memory or disk space. Commands like top and dfh can quickly show you if you're running low on resources. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to solving complex Linux problems like a pro. Remember, the key is to stay calm and methodical. Happy troubleshooting!